Okay, so this video is about the abandoned card and checkout flow. So we create the same flow for abandoned card and checkout, and then they here we are again splitting between the customers and prospects, and then there is one additional split in the card abandoned flow, which is because somebody has added a product to the card, so we can see what's the value of that. So if somebody has ordered, let's say, one product worth of £20, or if somebody has ordered two products worth of £20, so the value of the card is £40. So this is how it works, and then every brand has like this discount that if you ordered this amount, at least this amount, then we will give you free shipping. So it depends on what you have. If it is £100, £20, or whatever it is, this is how you would just split it. And then within the customer section, so we are splitting the same thing. So we are saying, okay, if you qualify, if the customer, if they do qualify, they go into this section and go to this section again. All the emails would be the same. They would be slight change, slight personalization that we are adding in the qualify for free shipping section. Is just that if somebody qualifies for free shipping, then we have this banner at the top of the email which says you qualify for free shipping. That's it. There's no other any other thing. So this is how it looks, and then we go into, and if we go into, somebody doesn't qualify for free shipping, then we don't say anything. We don't mention about free shipping or anything at all. We don't provoke them. Okay, if you buy till this, then you will qualify for free shipping. We don't do that because it might the brand image. We'll just upselling even before the customer has bought. So we don't do that. But if they have qualified, if they do qualify, then we just have this banner at the top. And then other splits, you have already seen the hero product and other products as well. So if somebody has like a hero product in their card, then we send them a slightly different email. And if they have any other product, then we send them slightly different email. And the emails 1, 2, 3 would be similar. Email 1 will have no discount. Email 2 again will have no discount. And then email 3 will be a discount which will expire in 48 hours. So if we were to see the GPT prompts for each of the emails, we'll be able to see them here. And I will include the link of this in the description as well. And you will able to see trigger, flow filters, everything about the automation. And then within all the splits here as well. And then each prompt for each of the emails here. We don't have the prompt for this one, the qualify free shipping one. So the total prompts would be 12, like in the browser abandonment one. The reason for that is because there's no difference between if somebody qualifies for free shipping and doesn't qualify for free shipping. We don't want to change any copy. We just want to add the banner at the top. So that's why we don't include the GPT prompts for each. But you will see all the other GPT prompts that are important. And then after you can see everything here, and after that we can just go into Figma and see how does the designs look. So this is the abandoned cart, and this is again here again we are not splitting between the free shipping versus no free shipping because we don't have to do that in Figma. We can just directly do that in whatever email software we are using, because again we just want to mention that at the top of the email. So for example, here we say you qualify for free shipping. This is just the only thing that we want to add when somebody has products in the cart that qualify for free shipping. So this is how it looks. So we're trying to send smaller email, but even this is a little bit bigger. But I think when we imported it into our ESP, which is only sent, we shorten it even more. So we can do this one. And then this is the second email, almost gone. And then we are adding the discount here. So all the emails you might see will be similar. The only difference would be the email copy. And then we can see how it looks in Omnisend. Okay, so in Omnisend, this is the abandoned cart one. First of all, what we're doing is in the settings, we can see, okay, the main trigger is added product to cart. And then in the exit conditions, we have to place order and started checkout. And then we say, okay, if somebody has been in this flow in the last 10 days, then they will be skipped. And if they are already or they have completed abandoned checkout as well in the last 7 days, then they won't be here. Because see, the abandoned cart and checkout is exactly the same. So this is exactly the same. So if we want to exclude anybody who has been in these two flows in the last 7 to 10 days. And then the first split is the same. Segment is ordered, and then the segment in this segment we only say okay, placed order at least once over all time, that's it. So if somebody has placed order, they will go into the yes section, and if they haven't, then they will go into the no sections. And then we use this split to make sure that if they qualify for free shipping or not. So the split looks like this. Let me just create another one so that you can see. Split to the filters. We'll go into the trigger filters, and then we'll say okay, final price, and then we'll select this one, raw/line items, and then we'll select okay, final price is more than 20, because this brand says okay, if you order anything more than 20, then you do qualify for free shipping. So we'll just save this. So this is how it looks. I'll delete it because we already have this split. So if somebody does qualify for free shipping, they go into the yes section. If they don't, they go into the no section. And within the yes and no section, we have the split of the hero versus the products. If you remember, in the browse one, we had like the split viewed build a box page, but here we have the split if the segment is card ready-made gifts, because this was the easiest segment to make. So let's just see how do the segment look. Let's just go into the segment section. So let's just see okay, what was the browse one. So the browse one was viewed a build a box page. So let's open this one in the new tab. This one says if the all contacts who have viewed page at least once in total, and the title is build your own gift box. And what is the card amendment? If we go into the card, it also mentions okay, this is being used in an automation, and then we open it. If somebody has added product to cart at least once in total, where the collections include, these are all the ready-made collections. So each automation has a different problem. That's why we have separate segment for each of the automation for browse and amendment command. So the problem with browse one was, so if we do okay, viewed page, and it will be the other section. So first we have to understand the product actually. So there are two separate products for this brand. One of them is a ready-made gifts. So these are ready-made gifts. You can just go and click the card, add it to card, and then just buy one. And then the other product is the build a box one, where you can manually select each item and then build a box according to that. So that's why if we had in the browser one we had selected all the ready-made ones, then there was this kind of problem where we were seeing these pages as well, these kind of pages 401 not found about us and all that. And if we were to do product one, it was a problem as well. So we have manually select each of the ready-made gifts, because ready-made gifts were many versus build a box was only one page. And so that's why we did this one. And then in the abandoned card one, we could easily just say okay, the products that they have added to cart are all these ones. So here we can see the collections, and then we added all the collections here. So that's why it was easier this way. And then we just create the segment. I just saw the segment here, and then we can see there are 3 emails within that as well, and then 3 emails here. And now let's just compare it with the workflow. So abandoned card checkout when the first plate is customers. So this is the customers one, and then we go into the yes section. Within the yes section, the split is okay. This is the yes section. The split is okay if they qualify free shipping or not. They do. If they do, then they go into hero product, which is this one. This is the hero product, and then this is the other product. So it's not necessary the hero product is actually hero product or whatever. It's just okay, we are splitting between two of the products because this brand has two main products, so that's why we are splitting them between according to that. And then if we go into one of the splits, you can see okay, there's email 1, email 2, and email 3. And then if we go into the no section, if they don't qualify free shipping, then again there's a hero product, and there's the other product, email 1, email 2, email 3. And then if we go into the select here within the prospect section, if somebody has ordered no, so they go into the prospect section. And then we go into splits. We split it based on if they do qualify free shipping or not. And again, if they do, then they go into Then there's another bit of hero versus the product. So here, hero versus the product, email 1, email 2, and then email 3. And then we go on top, and then we see, okay, if they don't qualify free shipping, there's a split between hero product versus other product. And then this is the email 1, email 2, and email 3. So these are all the things that are happening. And then I can show you the results from another brand, because these we, as you can see, there are only few people that entered till now. So let me show you the results from another brand that we're using the same scripts. As you can see here, the results are here. And the open rate and click rate and place order rate are good. 62% open rate, 9.4% click rate, and 2.9% place order rate. And the revenues here as well. So these are all the results. And again, I'm the founder of Goals and Beyond, and we help brands maximize the revenue from email marketing and have a sustainable email marketing system, so that they don't have to rely, so that you don't have to rely on paid ads completely. And I will share all the resources that I showed, especially the GPT prompts, in the description of the video. So if you like the video, like and subscribe to the channel to receive these types of videos.